Hi everyone, it's Ed, your faceless YouTuber sharing my plant journey and everything I've learned about succulents and cacti. Today, let's talk about seasonal care. How to adjust your plant care through spring, summer, fall, and winter so your succulents and cacti can thrive all year long. Personal story. When I first started growing succulents, I didn't realize how much the seasons could affect them. I thought, these plants are tough, they'll handle whatever comes. But then I noticed leaves shriveling in the heat or stretching out during the rainy season because they weren't getting enough light. That's when I really started paying attention to seasonal care, and it made a huge difference in keeping my plants healthy. Spring care tips. Spring is growth season. Start increasing water gradually as the days warm up. Give your plants more light, but introduce direct sun slowly to prevent burns. Repot if you see roots filling the pot. Spring is the perfect time. Audience question. Ed, when should I fertilize my succulents? Spring is ideal. A light, balanced cactus fertilizer once a month will support healthy growth. Summer care tips. In summer, light and heat can be intense. In places like Texas, Arizona, or Southern California, protect plants from harsh midday sun. Water deeply but less often, letting soil dry out between waterings. Fun fact. Did you know many cacti close their pores during the hottest part of the day to save water? Nature's way of beating the heat. Fall care tips. Fall is when growth slows down. Reduce watering gradually. Stop fertilizing. This helps plants prepare for dormancy. Audience question. Ed, can I still propagate in fall? Yes, but growth will be slower as plants rest up for winter. Winter care tips. If you're in a cold region, like parts of the northern USA, bring your plants indoors before frost. Water sparingly, maybe once a month, just enough to keep them from shriveling. Place them in a bright window and keep them away from cold drafts. Practical tip. Before watering, feel the soil an inch down. If it's still cool and slightly moist, wait a little longer. Succulents prefer to stay dry in winter. Regional tips. Southwest USA, watch for sun scorch in summer. Light shade can protect your plants. Southeast USA, focus on airflow during humid months to prevent rot. Northern USA, grow lights can help indoor plants during low light winters. Plant profiles for seasonal care. Christmas cactus. Cool nights in fall help it set buds, perfect for indoor bloomers. Golden barrel cactus. Thrives with bright sun but protect from extreme heat. Jade plant. Needs much less water in winter. Let it dry out between waterings. Q&A plus challenge. Ed, do succulents need misting in winter? No. Misting can cause rot in cold conditions. Can I leave my succulents outdoors all year in California? In many areas, yes, but protect from frost if you're in higher elevations or deserts where nights can freeze. Your challenge. Take a few minutes today to check on your plants. Are they getting the right light, water, and protection for the season? Make one small adjustment to help them thrive, and share your progress. That's it for Part 6. In Part 7, we'll explore the top 5 beginner-friendly cactus and succulent species, including some that are almost impossible to kill. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy seasonal growing.